All right, Sony Xperia 10 Mark III phone users with Android 11. If you don't know, your phone has a light indicator that will show to the top right area here. So every time you have a new notification that comes in, it will blink for you to let you know there's a new notification. Now, if yours is off and you want to know how to turn it on, you will go into the main settings of your Xperia 10 Mark III phone. Go to settings, then go to where it says apps and notifications right here, this one there. And as you go into it, you'll want to go to where it says configure notifications. So go ahead and tap on that one time. And while you are here, you'll go down a little bit until you see advanced. You'll see where it says advanced. Tap on that. This is going to expand the bottom area, giving you access to more options and settings. And there you will find use LED light to show incoming notifications. Go ahead and turn that on, and that's your LED light indicator there. And do hit that like, share, sub, and thanks for watching.